and the magic inside unwrapping the fortune cookie mystery. We all love a good mystery, and what could be more mysterious than a crispy golden cookie that holds a secret message inside? Fortune cookies, a staple at Chinese restaurants worldwide, have intrigued and delighted diners for generations. But have you ever stopped to wonder how these bite-sized prophecies are made? Join me as we venture inside a fortune cookie factory and uncover the secrets behind these iconic treats. Prepare to be amazed by the ingenuity and precision that goes into every step of the process, from mixing the simple batter to the delicate art of folding in the fortunes. We'll take a closer look at the factory floor, where workers and machinery operate in perfect harmony to create these delightful treats. The journey begins with the mixing of the batter, a simple yet crucial step that sets the foundation for the perfect fortune cookie. Next, we'll see the precise machinery at work, ensuring each cookie is baked to golden perfection. The batter is then carefully prepared, with each ingredient measured to exact specifications. Once baked, the cookies are swiftly folded, and the fortunes are inserted with great care and precision. But the story doesn't end there. We'll even delve into the history of these curious cookies, tracing their roots back further than you might imagine. From their origins to their place in modern culture, fortune cookies have a fascinating story to tell. So let's unwrap the mystery together and discover the magic inside these delightful treats. A taste of Japan, tracing the roots. While often associated with Chinese cuisine, fortune cookies actually have a surprising history rooted in Japanese tradition. Evidence suggests that these cookies were enjoyed in Japan centuries ago, long before they made their way to the United States. Known as tsujura senbei in Japanese, these early versions were larger and more savory than their modern counterparts. They were often enjoyed with tea and were believed to bring good luck. How these cookies journeyed from the streets of Kyoto to become a staple of Chinese restaurants in America is a tale for another time. The secret ingredient, more than flour and sugar. The process of making a fortune cookie begins with a surprisingly simple recipe. Flour, sugar, vanilla and oil are combined to create a batter that is thin and runny, almost like crepe batter. But there's one crucial ingredient that often gets overlooked: salt. While it might seem counterintuitive to add salt to something sweet, this pinch of salt is essential for balancing the flavors and enhancing the overall taste of the cookie. Without it, the cookies would be bland and one-dimensional. Section 4. From batter to biscuit. Shaping the future. Once the batter is mixed, it's poured onto large, hot, rotating griddles. These griddles are engineered to cook the cookies quickly and evenly, creating a thin, crispy texture. As the batter hits the hot surface, it spreads out into a perfect circle, ready to become a vessel for fortune. This is where the real magic begins. The griddles have a special mechanism that releases the thin, circular cookies one by one. They're still piping hot and need to be shaped quickly before they cool and harden. Section 5. A message in every bite. The art of inserting fortunes. With the cookies still warm and pliable, it's time for the most exciting part: inserting the fortunes. This step is what makes each cookie unique and special, carrying a message that can bring joy, wisdom, or even a bit of humor to the person who receives it. This delicate task can be done by hand or by machine, depending on the scale of the factory. Hand insertion allows for a personal touch, ensuring each fortune is placed with care. On the other hand, machines offer efficiency and consistency, making them ideal for larger production lines. In smaller factories, skilled workers use nimble fingers to quickly place a fortune in the center of each cookie. Their expertise ensures that the fortunes are perfectly positioned, adding a human element to the process that machines can't replicate. Larger factories utilize automated machines that precisely place the fortunes at incredible speed. These machines are marvels of engineering, designed to handle the high volume of production while maintaining accuracy and speed. Whether by hand or machine, the timing here is crucial. The fortunes must be inserted while the cookies are still warm and pliable, as they harden quickly once they start to cool. The cookies cool and harden quickly, so the fortunes must be inserted while they are still pliable. This ensures that the fortunes are securely embedded within the cookie, ready to be discovered by the lucky recipient. Section 6. The final fold, a delicate dance of heat and precision. Once the fortune is in place, the cookie must be folded quickly before it hardens. This is another step that requires speed and precision. Think of it like folding a paper crane but with a hot, delicate cookie. The cookie is folded in half, then the edges are gently bent inwards to create the iconic fortune cookie shape. The warmth of the cookie allows it to hold its shape as it cools, ensuring that the fortune remains safely tucked inside. Section 7. From Factory to Feast, the journey of a fortune cookie. Freshly folded fortune cookies are then sent down a cooling conveyor belt, where they harden into their final crispy form. This process is meticulously timed to ensure the perfect texture and crunch that fortune cookies are known for. This journey down the conveyor belt is crucial, as it allows the cookies to cool evenly and prevents them from becoming misshapen. The even cooling process is essential to maintain the integrity of the cookie's shape and to ensure that each one is as delightful to look at as it is to eat. Once cooled, the cookies are carefully inspected to ensure that they are the correct shape, color, and texture. This quality control step is vital, as it ensures that only the best cookies make it to the next stage. Any broken or imperfect cookies are removed, ensuring that each cookie that reaches the consumer is of the highest quality. This rigorous selection process is a testament to the dedication and precision of the workers, guaranteeing that only the best make it into the box. The selected cookies are then carefully packed, ready to be shipped to various destinations. Finally, the cookies are packaged and shipped off to restaurants and supermarkets, where they will be enjoyed by people from all walks of life. Each box is a promise of a delightful end to a meal, a small moment of joy and curiosity, ready to add a touch of whimsy and wonder to meals around the world. The journey of a fortune cookie from the factory to your table is a fascinating one, filled with care and precision at every step. From a simple batter to a crispy sweet treat that holds a message, the transformation is nothing short of magical. The batter, once poured and shaped, begins its journey to becoming a beloved symbol of good fortune. The journey of a fortune cookie is a testament to culinary ingenuity and the enduring human fascination with fate. Each step in the process, from mixing the batter to folding the cookie, is a blend of art and science. So next time you crack open a fortune cookie, remember the intricate journey it has taken to reach you. Each cookie is a small marvel of culinary craftsmanship and a bearer of a message that might just make your day. Take a moment to appreciate the care and craftsmanship that went into creating this small but mighty symbol of hope and good fortune. The journey of a fortune cookie is a beautiful reminder of the effort and love that goes into even the simplest of pleasures. Hey everyone, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our new videos. Let's get started. Subscribing is super simple. Just click the red button below. All done? Awesome! And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and tell your friends. See you in the next one. Bye!